Joining us now, Dr. Naresh Trehan, Chairman and Managing Director of Medanta, the megacity. Thanks very much for being with us, Dr. Trehan. As you would be aware, there's this big proposal now for Delhi to take a relook at its containment zones and its containment strategy. Do you believe something like this needs to be done for Gurugram as well?
It's a continuous process. Gurugram administration has been very strict, actually. They have been quite vigorous in their follow-up of contacts and trying to isolate people and things like that. But there is always this fluctuant population which moves within the tri-state area like the NCR. So there have been cases. The data that you are saying and the official data available is a little different. From Gurugram, the city itself, they say there are 4,500 cases, 1,800 plus active cases, 102 cases are reported to have recovered, and 85 new cases have seemed to have occurred in the last 24 hours. Regardless what the number is, the point is that it is really spreading, and basically we keep repeating the same warning to people. One, of course, the three things that we keep talking about, the masking and all that, and distancing and hand wash. But more importantly, people must understand that this is not something to live with, this is something to cope with. Coping means you must protect yourself, you must protect your family and your neighborhood. Then, of course, largely the nation will get protected. But the point is, people are still not free of the stigma. They think that there's a big stigma to it. They try to delay the testing and they feel bad. I think that's a mistake, because in that period when you may have the first symptoms to the point where you start feeling bad, and when you get tested positive, you may have spread it to many other people. We know that the RO factor of this virus is 3. That means each person who gets infected will infect 3 people at least, and then that it multiplies 3 to 9 and 9 to 27. So I think the public has to cooperate and be cautious at this time. It's not an incurable disease. It's not your fault. It's not a social disease. There is no stigma to it, and anybody who tries to make it so should stop doing it.
Right.
Find out as soon as you have symptoms or you have contact with somebody, be on the watch list. And if you start to get the slightest of symptoms, get tested. Testing is available now.
But Dr. Trehan, let me ask you this, sir. The way Gurgaon is built, the fact that it's got a number of high-rises, it's got a lot of residential buildings in high-rises, is the possibility or the likelihood of transmission in this kind of setting a lot more likely than elsewhere, where areas perhaps may be a bit more spread out?
Most definitely. We have seen that in Mumbai, where vertically all the floors got infected, even 6-story buildings which were like, people who were well-to-do were living isolated, large flats, even those got infected. So there is no such thing as it will only happen in crowded flats. It can happen in any of those flats.
Yeah.
So the point is, each RWA has to make its own rules, that the traffic in the elevators, the traffic in the lobbies, the traffic in the vicinity has to be regulated today, because we know it is spreading. This is the time to be the most cautious, otherwise the peak will go higher and higher, and we will have a major problem on our hands. Right now, it's still manageable. But I will again warn the public, please take care and do not be scared. If you've got it, get tested and let everybody know so that you can peacefully recover, where the rest don't get infected.
Right, sir. Thanks very much, Dr. Trehan. Always a pleasure speaking to you. Thanks very much indeed.
Okay, thank you.